These look like they're pretty easy. They should just be like cut to size and stick is what I'm hoping. This is like an open one, right? And so I know like typically I was looking up, so like the rule of thumb is supposed to be that your backsplash right here is supposed to be lighter than your cabinet and like the countertop. But for me, there's just so much white that I want to like add some color to it, and this matches my decor, right? It matches my drapes. So I think this will be a good color. It will darken it, but I mean, there's like a lot of sunlight. Like I have no lights on right now. This is all natural sunlight right now. So I'm hoping this will work and it won't be too dark. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna go remove all of the wall plug outlet covers just so we can get like a more precise, right? I'd rather not go around. I'd rather just go under and then just put the wall outlet cover back on so it just looks like more realistic, right? So wait 1 second. How do you plug it? Okay, this was a bummer. I might need to call my dad. Anyways, okay, well, let's take a break. We'll come back to that one. Please. Well, okay, here. Now, I just gotta figure out how to take that one off. I don't know. I don't know. What do you call this thing? How do I? I don't know. That, I mean, like, if I break it, does it really matter? Does it really matter? I mean, it looks like a phone thing. Maybe it's Wi-Fi, though. I don't think so, because my Wi-Fi is over there. I don't know. Okay, so that's what it's called. It's a phone jack cover plate. Okay. See, mine doesn't have screws, though. Dang. Oh my god. Nice! Let's put these away. We put the rest of them. Oh, so now we can get started. I was gonna use one of these things, but I realized that this only works if it's like up against a wall or something. Like if it's flat, it won't tell you if it's level or not, right? I guess the level only works like this, but anyways, so I really just need a 90-degree angle. So I'm gonna use this. This is just a random insert for a project that I'm doing, but it's perfect, right? It's a 90-degree angle just to make sure that everything is straight. We're gonna use this. So this is like my favorite box cutter, and I like it because you can just take like a blade and you can like replace these and just put it in here. I don't have any replacement blades right now. I usually get these blades from my dad's closet. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. It's straight. Nice. I'm gonna cut out like a little circle, and then I just put it over because I do want the cover, all of the cover of the plates to go over, so I'm not gonna cut out exactly around it. It'll be like a little bit smaller, And then that way just like it fits on top and it covers entirely the whole white marker. Perfect. I got this at IKEA. Yeah, because I don't think the Sharpie will show on the green tile. So, oh, by the way, you also want to clean your you definitely want to clean your, can you hear me on this? Can you hear me? I might have to go back and do like a sound thing. I might have to do a voiceover. Anyway, so I'm gonna use this white pen, this white marker that I got from IKEA, right? Just because the Sharpie is not gonna show up too well on the dark tile, right? So I'm also gonna be saving these scrap pieces like as I cut, just because I know later on we're gonna have to fill in some gaps, so. And then for this, since like this hole is gonna be covered by the wall cover, I don't really care if it's too straight. If it's, you know, I don't care too much about it being straight or not. I just want to make sure that it doesn't cover the screw holes, right? Yeah, this is like really thick. Love it. Perfect. Okay, so, oh man. You can also cut these with scissors. I think I might do that. But anyways. It's beautiful. Yes, beautiful. Okay. Nice. I love it. I love it. Instead of going all the way to the edge of the wall, right, I'm gonna come all the way to the edge of the granite. So that way it just lines up. And then now I just want to see what the directions say, because I kind of just started cutting and like, okay. Cut, peel, and stick. Cool, sweet, yeah. Okay, so installation. What does that mean? Draw a guideline with the level. I have a level, little baby level. Yeah, this stuff is like super thick. It's so thick. Do you see this? Like, it's super thick. Just line it up where we want it, where we want it. Right there, right there. Oh my God, do I love it? I think I love it. I think I love it. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, this cuts like butter.